Namaste Suswagatam. I welcome you all to my channel Samskritalaya. In this video, we are going to see the Abhyasaha, the exercises for the lesson 6 of standard 7, Sadacharaha. I already made a video on this lesson covering all the word by word meanings along with the translation and with complete explanation. If you didn't check it, please kindly check it. I will be mentioning the video link in description box. So now let us go into the Abhyasaha. Second question is Upayukta Kathanam Samaksham Am Anupayukta Kathanam Samaksham Na Iti Nikata. So what we are asked to do is, we are asked to write yes or no for these given sentences. First one is Prata Kale Ishwaram Smaret. So in morning we should remember God. Yes, we are supposed to do. So Am is the answer. Anritam Bruyat. We should speak false. Is it true? No. So na is the answer. We should not speak false. We should speak always truth, isn't it? And the third one is Manasa Shreshta Janam Seveta. So with wholeheartedness, we should serve elder people. So it is yes only. Am. Fourth is Mitrena Kalaham Kritva Janaha Sukhi Bhavet. After quarreling with friend, person, he won't be happy, isn't it? But here it is given Sukhi Bhavati. So the answer is na. And the last sentence is Shvaha Karyam Adya Kurvita. Do tomorrow's work today itself. It is right only. So Am. And the third question is Ekapadena Uttarata. We have to give one word answer. First one is Kaha na pratikshati. Death, isn't it? So death won't wait for any person. So Mrityuhu is the answer. Satyata kada vyavahare syata. When we have to speak truth, we have to speak always. So Sarvada is the answer. Third is Kim Bruyat. What should be spoken? Satyam, that is truth, should be spoken. So Satyam is the answer. Fourth is Kena saha kalaham kritva naraha sukhi na bhavet. On fighting with friend, a person, he can't be a happy person. So with whom? With friend, Mitrena is the answer. Fifth one is Kaha Maharipuhu Asmakam Sharire Tishtati. The answer is Alasyam. So the laziness is the biggest enemy which is present in our body. So the fourth is Rekhankita Padani Adhrithya Prashna Nirmanam Kurta. We have to frame questions for the underlined word. So first is Mrityuhu na pratikshati. So what won't wait? Kaha. Kaha should be used. And then Kalaham Kritva Naraha Dukhi Bhavati. So Kalaham. Kalahaha is a pullinga word. Kalaham is a Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Kam should be used. So Kam Kritva Naraha Sukhi Bhavati. And the third is Pitaram Karmana Seveta. So the father should be served. Who should be served? The father. So Kam should be used. Vyavahare Mruduta Shreyasi. In our behavior, the softness is the best. So Mriduta means, since it's a Strilinga Shabdaha, Ka should be used. And the fifth one is Sarvada Vyavahare Rujuta Vidheya. So Sarvada. Sarvada, we know that it is Avyaya Padam. For the word Sarvada, Kada should be the question framing word. Now let us do the fifth question. Prashna Madhye Trini Kriya Padani Santi. Tani Prayujya Sarthaka Vakyani Rachayata. So we can find three verbs in it. Bruyat, Seveta and then Syat. So using these three verbs, we have to frame the sentences. In the outer circle, we can see some words, isn't it? So Manasa Mataram Pitaram Cha. Satyam Priyam Cha. Vacha Gurum. Satyam Apriyam Cha Na. Vyavahare Kadachana Kautilyam. Shreshta Janam Karmana. Vyavahare Sarvada Audaryam. Andritam Priyam Cha Na. So we can find all these words. We have to choose the appropriate verbs and we have to frame sentence. Okay. So first we should know the meaning of these verbs. Bruyat means should be spoken. Seveta is should be served. Syat means it should be. Okay. So now let us do the sentence formation. First, let us take Manasa Mataram Pitaram Cha. So, with action, with wholeheartedness, we have to serve our mom and dad, isn't it? So, Seveta should be used. So, Manasa Mataram Pitaram Cha Seveta. And next one is Satyam Priyam Cha. We have to speak truth and sweet, no? Using lovable words. So, Satyam Priyam Cha Bruyat. Bruyat should be used. And the third one is Vacha Gurum. By words or with words, we have to serve our Guru. So, Vacha Gurum Seveta. And the fourth one is Satyam Apriyam Cha Na Bruyat. And Vyavahare Kadachana Kautilyam Na. So, in our behaviors, there should no crookedness. So, Syat should be used. Okay. Vyavahare Kadachana Kautilyam Na Syat. And the next one is Shreshta Janam Karmana. That is, we have to serve good people, noble people. Seveta should be used. So, Shreshta Janam Karmana Seveta. And the next one is Vyavahare Sarvada Audaryam. Audarya means generosity. So, in our behaviors, there should be always generosity. So, Syat should be there. So, Vyavahare Sarvada Audaryam Syat. And the last sentence is Anritam Priyam Cha Na. What should not be spoken? Untruth. Even though if it is sweet to listen, that should be not spoken. So, Anritam Priyam Cha Na Bruyat. So, now let us do the sixth question. Manjushataha Avyaya Padani Chitva Riktasthanani Purayata. So, we have to pick out the Avyaya words and fill in the blanks. Okay. So, Tatha, Na, Kadachana, Sada, Cha, Api. So, these are all the Avyaya words. Tatha means like that. Na means no. Kadachana means never. Sada means always. Cha means and. Api means also. So, now let us do that. Bhaktaha dash Ishwaram Smarati. Devotee remembers God always. So, Sada should be used. Next one is Asatyam dash Vaktavyam. Untruth should not be spoken. So, Na should be used. The third one is Priyam dash Satyam. What should be spoken? Sweet, but at the same time it should be truth. So, Tatha. Okay. And the fourth one is Lata Medha dash Vidyalayam Gachataha. Lata and Medha, they go to school. So, Cha should be used. And dash Api Kushali Bhavan. Are you keeping yourself good? Okay. So, Api should be used. And the last one is Mahatma Gandhi dash Ahimsa Na Atyajat. So, Mahatma Gandhi, he didn't leave the non-violence. He always followed the Ahimsa. So, Kadapi is the answer. Never. Now, let us do the seventh question. Chitram Drishtva Manjushataha Padani Cha Prayujya Vakyani Rachayata. So, we can see a picture and they have given some words. Using these words and using this picture, we have to frame sentences. Okay. So, Likati Kakshayam Shyamapatte Likhanti Saha Pustikayam Sikshakaha Chatraha Uttarani Prashnam Te. So, first on seeing the picture itself, we can come to conclusion that this is the classroom and there are some students sitting in the class. The teacher writes a question on the board and the students write the answers in their notebook. So, now we will frame the sentences. So, first one is Sikshakaha Prashnam Likkati. So, the tutor, the teacher, he writes question. Saha Kakshayam Shyamapatte Prashnam Likkati. Shyamapatte means blackboard. Okay. So, the tutor in the classroom, he writes question on the board. Chatraha Uttarani Likhanti. The students write the answers. And the fourth one is Te Pustikayam Uttarani Likhanti, where they write answers in the note. So, Te Pustikayam Uttarani Likhanti. Or even I can write like first sentences Sikshakaha Kakshayam Shyamapatte Likati. The teacher, he writes on the whiteboard in the class. And the second sentence I can frame as Saha Prashnam Likhati. He writes question. And the third sentence is Chatraha Pustikayam Likhanti. The students, they write in their notebook. What they write? Te Uttarani Likhanti. They write answers. So, te Uttarani Likhanti. So, either I can write in either way. So, with this Abhyasa video of the lesson Sadacharaha comes to an end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.